Welcome back. I'm Erica. This is 525 Fiber and Designs. I want to show you how to start making a granny stitch. This is an Afghan that I'm working on now. Honestly, it's scraps. I wanted it to be bright and colorful. It's for my office, so all the color, bring in all the color, and I want to show you how you can make your own. Granny stripes are very easy, very simple, and they work up pretty quick. You get to a point where you don't even have to think about them. You just stitch, 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 and eventually you come out with a giant whatever you're making. All right, so let's get started. As usual, acrylic yarn, hook, scissors. Not really gonna need those for today. Pull off some yarn. Oh, yarn just likes to travel. And we are going to make a slip knot. And then we're going to chain in multiples of 3. I'm gonna do 21 and then 2 more for the turn stitch. Okay, so I'm gonna chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, whoops, sorry, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and then 22 for my turn. All right, no, 23 for the turn, because what we're gonna do is we are going to skip the first 2 stitches, and then in the third one, we're gonna put a double crochet, 1 double crochet, there we go, and we're gonna skip 2 stitches. 2 stitches. It's like our magic number. In the third stitch, we're going to put 3 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, and 3. All right. So there's that. Some more yarn here. We're going to once again skip 2 stitches. And stitch number 3, we will put 3 double crochets, there's 3. Have you found the pattern yet? Skip 2, 3 double crochets in number 3, 2, 3. And we're going to do that all the way to the end of the row. Okay, I'm at the end of the first row. So I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and then I'm just going to put 1 double crochet in the very last stitch. Remember how we started with that 1 double crochet? We're going to end with 1 double crochet. So that's row 1. Slip knot, chain stitches, and then come back across with skip 2, 3 double crochets, skip 2, 3 double crochets, skip 2, 3 double crochets. Okay, that's the pattern. At the end, we put in that single double crochet, and we're going to chain 2 and turn. All right. At the turn, we're going to make the next row. The next row is just like the first one. The very first stitch is a double crochet all by itself. Then we're going to jump into the big holes. Can you see them? There they are. Okay. We're going to stitch into these big holes. So we're going to put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3 into the big holes. and we've left more holes for later. So keep going. There are people who will tell you to chain 1 between each of your 3 clusters. I don't like that. It makes bigger holes than I want. So if you've seen that with other people, they're not wrong. You're not wrong for doing it if that's the way you do it. I just don't like it. I don't like the way it looks. So this is my method. Into all of the big holes, go 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Out. Last couple of clusters here. 1, 2, 3. Last group. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, oops, oh, almost pulled it all the way out. This needs 1 more stitch in that first double crochet that we did. And this just evens out the edges. So you've got it nice and even there. And what you'll do is the same thing all over again, going back across. When you want to make a giant afghan of your own, chain in numerals of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, etc. plus 2. So add those extra 2 at the end for that turning chain. And then as you keep adding rows, you can change colors. Every time, just go into those bigger holes and always put a final double crochet right there at the end. So have fun, and I can't wait to see what you make.